Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: entity list, sample data, and a chosen tool. Once you have 5-10 records, map obvious entities and primary keys to avoid rework. Next, sketch each entity as a box and add core attributes, marking the primary key with PK. Make sure to name attributes consistently. This reduces ambiguity later. Start with high-level relationships now, so you can spot missing entities early. Don't pause for perfection. Iterate quickly and move to defining foreign keys. Once done with boxes, you add foreign keys to express links and choose relationship cardinality, 1, 1, 1, N or N, M, because cardinality drives joins and performance. Make sure to normalize to at least third normal form to reduce redundancy, but denormalize selectively for read-heavy queries. Then, resolve many-to-many with junction tables and define constraints. Unique, not null, cascade rules. As you work, validate with sample queries to ensure the schema supports anticipated use cases and reporting needs. You finish by exporting the schema as DDL and creating a concise diagram for stakeholders. This aligns expectations and surfaces hidden assumptions. Then, run sample select, insert, and integrity checks to catch missing constraints or data type mismatches. Make sure to add indexes for critical queries, but avoid over-indexing. If issues appear, revert to your sample dataset, adjust keys or normalization, and retest. One troubleshooting tip: if joins are slow, profile queries, examine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.